In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim or redeem an Amazon gift card and add its value to your account, all from the comfort of your web browser or desktop. Let's dive right in and make sure you can put that gift card to use without any hitches. First things first, you'll need to log into your Amazon account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, it'll be smooth sailing from here. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Redeem a Gift Card page. To get there, simply find the Account section on Amazon's homepage. Under this menu, you'll see options for managing your gift cards or gift card balance, and you'll want to click through to the Redeem a Gift Card page from there. Now, it's time to find your claim code, which is crucial for redeeming your gift card. If you've got a physical card, this means taking a look at the back of the card. You'll see a protective coating that you'll need to either scratch off or peel away to reveal the code. Be gentle and make sure to scratch carefully so the characters are visible. For those with e-gift cards, things are a bit easier. Your claim code is typically found right in your email inbox or a digital message from Amazon. Just open that up and you should see the code prominently displayed. With the claim code in hand, either from a physical or digital card, head back to the Redeem a Gift Card page. Here, you'll see a field specifically for entering your claim code. Carefully type the code into this box, ensuring each character is correct. It's quite common for people to misread certain letters and numbers, so take your time. Double-check your entry to make sure it's identical to what's on your card or in your email. Once you're confident that the code is correctly entered, look for the button that says Apply to your balance, or something similar. Click on this, and voila, the value of your gift card will be added directly to your Amazon account. After redeeming the card, the amount will be stored as part of your Amazon gift card balance. This balance is automatically applied the next time you make an eligible purchase, making your shopping experience seamless and convenient. So, there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to claiming your Amazon gift card. Whether you have a physical card or an e-gift, the process is straightforward and hassle-free. Happy shopping, and enjoy using your gift card balance on Amazon.